toys go back in their special place. Let's tidy up with a happy face. Clean up, it's time to start the day. Put the pills and toys away. Clean up, we'll do it together. Then we can learn and feel much better. The books go here, the books on the shelf. Everyone's helping, we work as ourselves. With everything